12 days, 12 tree ornaments. Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome along to day 11 of the tree ornaments. And day 11 is all about acorns. These are done almost identically to the way the birdhouses are done. The only exception here is that when you're hollowing out, you don't have to be so accurate as you do with the birdhouses. The birdhouses, because you're drilling holes through the sides, you really do want to try and have an even wall through there. The key thing here is really about getting the weight down. So hollow as much out as you feel appropriately inside to the shape you want, and the outside can then just be taken down with a skew. The time consuming part on here, just like with the other one, was really with the lids. You're trying to get that lid with a reasonably snug fit, so at least when you glue it together it's not going to be all rattly too much. It's not essential that you've got a tight fit or anything, but it's just nice that if you've got something, because at least when you put it on, it's going to be fairly central for when you glue it. The other difference on this one as well is that I have actually used oak for all the bodies of the acorn, whereas the lids, the same with the birdhouses, I've used the mahogany with the walnut crystals for the colouring. The different thing I did with these as well this time was, because of this end grain, I did make sure it had a good couple of coats of sanding sealer on there, and it was rubbed back right down so it was smooth every time, so that at least when I did put the spray lacquer on there, all the grain wasn't going to bubble up, and I had got a nice finish on there. So quick and easy project to do. I hope you've been watching the whole series. As I say, this is day 11, so there has been a whole host of things in the past, from baubles, bells, crackers, snowmen, Christmas trees, bottles and a few other things. So hopefully this has inspired you to get on and make some decorations for yourself or for family or friends. And I really do hope to see you on day 12 for the final part. Thanks a lot for watching.